Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about matrix and types of matrices. First, let us see the definition of matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. The horizontal arrangements are called rows. The vertical arrangements are called columns. So a matrix means arrangement of numbers or letters in rectangular form. See the example. So it's a rectangular form of arrangement of numbers and we have to put the bracket like this. So arranging numbers in rectangular form within bracket is called matrix. Here the horizontal lines. For example, here first line 1, 3, this is called row. The vertical line, for example, here this vertical line 1, 0, 1, this is called column. Next, order of a matrix. If a matrix capital A has m rows and n columns, then the order of the matrix capital A is m cross n. For example, if A matrix is equal to 3, 7, 3, 2, 9, 1. So it's a rectangular arrangement within bracket. This is a matrix. Here the order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. Here there are two rows. This is first row, this is second row. So there are two rows. So first write number of rows, that is 2. Next we have to write number of columns. Here there are 3 columns. The vertical lines are columns. So this is first vertical line, second vertical line, third vertical line. So there are 3 columns. Therefore the order is 2 cross 3. Next let us see all the types of matrices. Row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row and any number of columns. See the example. If there is only one row, then it's called row matrix. We can have any number, we can have decimal number and also square root number, even fraction also, but there should be only one row. So it's called row matrix. Next, column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column and any number of rows. So see the example. We must have only one column and we can have any number or any function, but we must have only one column. Then it's called column matrix. Next is square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. See the example. First one 4, 5, 8, 3. Here number of rows 2. Number of columns also 2. So here there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So if we have equal number of rows and columns, then we say that it's a square matrix. Similarly, in this second example also, there are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and there are 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So equal number of rows and columns, we say that it's a square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. A square matrix, all of whose elements except those in the leading diagonal are 0, is called a diagonal matrix. See the example, it should be a square matrix. So in a square matrix, this is called leading diagonal. So left top to right bottom, that diagonal is called leading diagonal. So we have numbers or elements only in the leading diagonal. Other elements are 0. Then it's called a diagonal matrix. Next is scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the leading diagonal elements are equal is called a scalar matrix. We know that diagonal matrix means we have numbers only in the diagonal. Other elements are 0. So we have number only in the diagonal. In that, if that elements are same, then it's called scalar matrix. See the example. In the first example, this diagonal we have only 4, 4. Other numbers 0. It's a scalar matrix. See the second example. This is the leading diagonal. In that we have same number 5, 5, 5 and other numbers are 0. Then it's called scalar matrix. Next, identity or unit matrix. A square matrix in which elements in the leading diagonal are equal to 1 and others are 0 is called an identity matrix. So see the example. In diagonal we must have 1. Other numbers 0. Similarly here also in the diagonal we have 1, 1, 1. So we must have 1 in the diagonal and other numbers are 0 in a square matrix. Then it's called an identity matrix. Next is zero or null matrix. A matrix in which all the elements are 0 is called a zero matrix. So see the example, all the elements are 0, then we say that it's a zero matrix. We can have any order. Next, transpose of a matrix. A matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns is called transpose of a matrix. For example, if we take the matrix A equal to first row 1, 3, second row 6, 7, then the transpose is denoted like this, A power T. So this is A transpose equal to this first row, change it as first column. So this first row 1, 3 can be written in the first column 1, 3. And take the second row 6, 7 and write it as second column 6, 7. So interchanging rows and columns is called transpose of a matrix. Next, lower triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the entries above the leading diagonal are 0 is called a lower triangular matrix. See the example. Here this diagonal 8, 5, 1 is leading diagonal. Above this diagonal we have all the entries 0. So it is called lower triangular matrix. Next, upper triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the entries below the leading diagonal are 0 is called an upper triangular matrix. See the example. Here this is the leading diagonal 2, 1, root 2. Below this leading diagonal we have all the entries 0. So this is called upper triangular matrix. And now finally let us recap all the types of matrices. We can remember the types very easily. See the word and remember first one, row matrix. So row means we must have only one row, then it is called row matrix. Next, column matrix, see the word column. So we must have only one column, then it is called column matrix. Next is square matrix. See the word square. So the elements are in square shape. That means rows and columns should be equal. Then it's a square shape and it is called square matrix. Diagonal matrix, see the word diagonal. So we see the diagonal only. So we must have numbers along diagonal only. It is called diagonal matrix. Scalar is same as diagonal matrix. So in diagonal, if the numbers are equal, then it is called scalar matrix. Identity is also diagonal matrix. In the diagonal, if we have all the elements 1, then it is called identity matrix. Zero matrix is very easy. So if we have all the elements 0, then we say that it's a zero matrix. Transpose means we have to interchange rows and columns. So here first row 1 3 is interchanged as first column 1 3. Second row 6 7 is in second column 6 7. So this is called transpose. Lower triangular matrix, see the word lower. We can remember easily, in lower side only we have numbers. Upper side 0. Lower side only we have numbers, it's called lower triangular. If we have numbers in the upper triangle side only, then it is called upper triangular matrix. So in this way we can remember all the types very easily. Thanks for watching.